Your Excellencies, and in a special way, my elder sister, Martha Karua, congratulations. All protocols observed. Mimi naitwa Wanjiko Muhia. Kutoka Kipipiri, mahali siku moja tuliojesha Moi pilipili. Na raudi hii tumesema Kasongo hapati hata agent in Nyandarua County. Mko tayari kumunyima agents? Thank you very much. We are here to support you, and we are saying Kenya will be liberated by you and me by saying no to abductions, no to corruption, no to overtaxation, no to betrayal. God bless you.
Your Excellency, the party leader for PLP, Your Excellencies present, members of the PLP party. Kwa majina mimi naitwa Ngogoyo, I'm Onesmus, mbunge kutoka Kajiado North constituency. Asante sana. And I ascribe to a Munyoro movement. Hapo ndio nyumbani. To Martha Karua, pongezi sana. And like we agreed during the launch of the DAP party, nimeangalia kwa Google nikiwa hapa, the shortest route to Sugoi, usipitie Maemahio na usipitie Nyahururu, enda straight mpaka Nakuru, teremka mpaka Eldoret. Hiyo ndio njia rahisi ya kupeleka mtu Sugoi. And for the excellencies present, we are looking for the shortest route ya Ruto kuenda Sugoi. And that is why we are here today. So we congratulate you. And like Ruto has chosen many friends like the Janjaweed, Wakora wa Wash, watu wengi. We have also chosen good friends like Martha Karua, like Wamalwa, like Alonzo Musyoka. And of course, led by our leader, Rigathi Gachagua. Asanteni sana.
Your Excellencies, our Iron Lady, Martha Wangari Karua. PLP. Your Excellencies, tuko na furaha kuwa pamoja hapa. Na kama vile mnavyojua, Subaru zote zimetumwa kwangu. Sababu nilikubali kugonga under the belt. Na mimi sio mtu mwoga. Mimi ni mtu wa kuongea ukweli. Na kama nimedanganya, wakuja waseme nimedanganya, ilitumika ngapi. Your Excellencies, tuko na furaha kuweka watu wetu pamoja, hasa tukiangazia viongozi wetu, wale ambao tunasema tutatetea haki ya Mkenya, haki ya mlipa ushuru, haki ya watu wetu ambao wamesimama kidete kusimama na serikali la Kenya. Your Excellencies, ile kitu tungewaomba tukiendelea, juu naona mbele iko sawa tukiwa na nyinyi, ni muweze kuunganisha Kenya mzima, ndio tuweze kungatua huyu Kasongo aende nyumbani asubuhi mapema. Na sababu ninaona wananiwinda pia, wametoa number plate kwa magari. Mimi najua Martha Karua ako hapa, na yeye ni mtu ambaye ametetea liberation ya taifa.
Nishukuru kila mmoja wetu mwenye amekuja kujoin Her Excellency. Niseme this is a journey that we have started. The journey will be bumpy. It is started. Najua mnakumbuka the Gen Zs that were killed. They were the youth of Nairobi. How youth wanahitaji haki. When they are chasing Koibori up and down because of talk about the money that was used person who is going preaching that there is no unity. I believe we are united, and whatever he's trying to do, he's moving around the country trying to isolate one tribe. And when I look here, naona tuko sisi wote pamoja. Are we not united? Kenya is united. Ile kitu wa Kenya wanataka ni haki, SHA ifanye kazi, abduction ziishe, payslip ikuwe free, na ile heshima ya binadamu irudi hapa Kenya. Asanteni.
Our chief guest, Honorable Martha Karua, our principals, and everyone, good morning. PLP, PLP. My name is Commander Mwafrika. I'm a member of Parliament for Roysambu, here in Nairobi County. Let me start by congratulating PLP for the unveiling today, and also to say that we as leaders, we owe it to Kenyans. And I like the slogan of PLP, unite to liberate. We owe it to Kenyans, and two things are very important. To unite so that we can liberate. Number two, the contribution which is required so that we are able to liberate is sacrifice. Our principals, we are also asking you to unite, because that's the only secret we are able to liberate this country. You can imagine, SHA is not working, help is not working, everything is not working, construction of roads not working. That means we leaders, we owe it to Kenyans, we need to unite so that we can liberate, and we need to sacrifice a lot. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Asante sana. Jina ni Kagushia, Mukurweini MP. PLP! PLP! Tumeanza mwendo kasi, na pahali tunaenda hakuna kusimamishwa, kwa sababu tuko na akili, tuko na nguvu, tuko na uwezo ambao unahitajika kuhakikisha ya kwamba tumesema hapana kwa abductions. We say no to abductions. We say no to payslips going to the government through overtaxation. We say no to manipulation. We say no to intimidation and international diplomacy blunders kama ile ya kuleta RSF, M23, kushika Kiza Besigye akiwa pa Kenya. Hiyo yote tunasema hapana. We say yes to good governance, to integrity, to accountability, and we congratulate our Excellency Martha Karua for launching this party, and we support you, and all of us, including the Wamunyoro fraternity, ambao sisi tunajivunia sana kwa sababu tumeshikana na Rigathi Gachagua ambaye pia ni msema kweli, na sisi wote tunasema kweli. Kenya lazima ibadilike. Asante sana.
PLP, PLP, unite and liberate. Your Excellencies present, mimi naitwa Geoffrey Wandeto, mbunge wa Tetu huko Nyeri. First of all is to congratulate Honorable Martha Karua for this momentous occasion. Wewe Martha tunakujua tangu wakati wa Moi, kuja wakati wa Kibaki, na nyakati zote as a person who has been at the forefront of the liberation of this country. And we are even more happy today to see you accompanied by all these great leaders. And now we are even becoming more confident that this time, 2027, ile maneno tunataka kufanya, sasa itawezekana. So keep adding more leaders. Na sasa tumesema, hata wale wengine wako nje, waletwe wote pamoja, tukue na timu kubwa, ili hii maneno tumalize first round. Si ndio 2027 watu wangu? tumalize mapema, si ndio? Kwa sababu sasa si mnaona kila kitu imeanguka. Sasa hata hii wiki ni kama wamekubali imeanguka. University funding model ndio hiyo imeenda. Hata baba walimpeleka jia ikapoteana, si ndio? Si kila kitu imeanguka. Si we now liberate the country. Asanteni sana, Mungu awabariki.
PLP? PLP? We cannot talk as if we've not eaten. PLP? Thank you so much. Allow me to congratulate our sister, our mother, Martha Karua, neighboring Murang'a County. This is Mary Wamaua, Member of Parliament, Maragua constituency, and I'm always happy and proud to have Martha Karua as our neighbor and as a woman like me. All what have been said by the members present here is true and good to go by. If there are two women that I emulate and encourages all the women in leadership are the likes of Wangari Maathai and Martha Karua. And if at all women, we are going to stand tall. And we also speak as women who have brought all men on this country and on earth. Obviously, the man is there behind. But the woman, most important, because of carrying the pregnancy and giving birth to that. And also taking care. Today we are here to support and to show that His Excellency, Rigathi Gachagua, is not alone. We stood with him right from the impeachment manenos, and even today, we are still with him and will walk the journey as he tried to make many friends as possible as he has done today. When the issue of broad-based came, and they said that they are looking for friends, we told him he's also a man enough like them. He should also emulate the same and look for more friends. And that is why we can see the like of the dignitaries who are here and as we are behind them. A luta continua, we should not look backward, but move ahead. And it is until we agree to unite that we shall be able to liberate. A luta continua. Yes. So, Mother, we are proud of you as women. Ile umepitia sisi hata hatujapitia. So tukikuona uko na sisi, wewe ni kama kioo, tunaangalia tunaona wanawake wanaweza. So, let us all of us join together. We unite so that we are able to liberate. Na maneno ya hii uoga inauzwa. Kama Koibori hapa anakibizwa na Subaru ambazo hazina namba. Kwa nini wanaficha numbers? If they do not also want the likes of Morake Baso to speak, then they should do what is supposed to be done. The other day, the Archbishop from Nyeri said that government is not an advertising agency. It should be walking the talk, but not talking, but when we go on the ground, there is nothing. And that is why Morake Baso has a lot to move around as he tells us the date, the amount, and yet there is nothing on the ground. So we are calling upon us who can unite, we liberate, and we do as whatever our people are waiting for. So haturudi nyuma, naona kuna Murang'a ingine hapa, and we are going to go if you agree that we unite. If we are divided, that is the end of us. We know who we are dealing with, and we must stay put. Thank you so much.
PLP. PLP.
Unite, liberate.
My name is Jane Kihara, Member of Parliament for Naivasha, an alumni of PLP. I am one of the pioneers of this party. Your Excellency Martha Karua, Excellencies wote ambayo wako hapa. If you remember 202, this is how we were able to defeat Moi. When you all joined, you were there. Excellency Kalonzo was there. This party, we started when things started going bad. And in fact, I remember you called us in your office at Cooperative House. That's where you are, Chief Justice, as the Justice Minister. And we told you I was coming to look for this office. I'm the one who came looking for this office. So I'm a proud member, our alumni of Martha Karua. I love your resilience. I was elected on a party that we are ashamed of mentioning. UDA. Nobody wants to talk about UDA because Ruto has let the country down. I have never seen a person who will cheat you looking at you in the eye. Anakuambia uongo ke asubuhi saa sita na jioni ni uongo. You cannot govern a country by bribing leaders because that's what he does. Things are going wrong. We are all seeing, we can all see. You have started your campaign and you are telling us not to campaign. Yet we can see you campaigning all through. So, our leaders, we are behind you. Repeat the 202 exercise. Put this country together. We will all follow what you tell us. We can, kama ungeniambia haupigi Ruto tungepigana. Because I thought all those things he said were true, but sometimes also we didn't think properly. It looks like, because you don't ride on a wheelbarrow and expect to go far. Tuliwacha fikira mbali, tukafuata mtu anatuahidi mambo mengi. I don't know what was wrong with us. Bottom up, bottom up, bottom tunasema up, bottom up. Sasa we cannot see that one. And I once asked him, Your Excellency, you have given so much hope to the youth of this country. And because I can visualize, what plan do you have for them? Kaniambia, we wacha how tutawapanga. Sasa tutawapanga. So ametupanga, anapanga, but this time round, behind you, we refuse to be backward, tuwaachilie mpange nchi hii, because that is what we need. Na wheelbarrow hakuna mahali inaweza kutupeleka. It can't. Hata DOA, I don't know. Something. Thank you very much. I congratulate you and the resilience. I have walked with you the journey. PLP. Asanteni sana.
Asante sana mheshimiwa. Basi viongozi wetu wanapoendelea tutazingatia masaa, kwa wageni ni wengi na waheshimiwa bado ni wengi. Tuangalie masaa tafadhali.